Welcome back to Scrapbooking 101 with Arden Creative Studio. In this video, we're sharing some tips for scrapbooking your memorabilia. So let's take a look. Typical memorabilia might include things like postcards, letters, maps, brochures, even children's artwork. Keep in mind that some memorabilia will not be acid-free and lignin-free, and in this case, you may want to keep it separate from your photos because of acid migration. Acid migration is when acid from one material transfers or migrates to another, and this leads to accelerated deterioration and can harm your photos over time. So that's something to be aware of. Now, other types of memorabilia might fade completely, and ticket stubs and receipts are good examples of that. So, if you want to include memorabilia on your scrapbook, there are a couple of ways you can do this. So, newspaper clippings, for example, can be scanned or photocopied and then printed onto photosafe paper or cardstock, and then you can scrapbook that. Or you could take some of that memorabilia that may fade over time, take a photo of someone holding that memorabilia and incorporate that onto your layout. So it could be, for example, a hand holding tickets or a person holding a certificate. For large or bulky items, and I'm thinking of children's artwork in this case, sometimes this is not created on acid-free paper, or sometimes it's just a little bit too large or perhaps even three-dimensional. Consider scanning or taking a photo of these pieces and then including that on your page. Many documents can simply be placed in clear acid-free page protectors and then added to your album, perhaps as one page in a double page spread with photos and journaling on the facing page. One really practical way of incorporating memorabilia is by creating pocket pages. And this allows you to remove some of those items if you wish to take them out and have another look at them. This is a great idea for things like maps and brochures if you ever want to pull those out, or sometimes they're a little bit bigger than your album page or you'd like to unfold them. Incorporating memorabilia into your scrapbooks is a great way to add to your story, and I hope these tips have given you some inspiration. Thanks for joining me today. I'll catch you later for even more Scrapbooking 101.